तो आपके हिसाब से एक सक्सेसफुल पर्सन कौन है?
मैं खुद को सक्सेसफुल मानूंगी तो मैं उस पॉइंट पे मानूंगी जब लोग मुझे जानने लगेंगे ऑब्वियसली।
very peaceful and happiness.
Allowing me to do the thing I love. Yes, that is success to me.
For me, I guess the happiness will be better than your past.
My role model is my Mosi.
My role model is my higher self. Like whatever I want to be, that is my role model.
My dad was my role model.
आपके हिसाब से रिच होने का मतलब सक्सेसफुल होना है?
उनके लिए अब हैप्पीनेस क्या है, हम लोग खुश रहें.
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको लाख और कमाना ज़रूरी है.
He is in the Indian Army.
I just want to be the best version of myself.
And what is the best version of yourself?
I'm trying to find that out.
Interesting. Okay. And do you think having a lot of money is equivalent to being successful? नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू गुड इंडिया. सक्सेस जो है वो बहुत सब्जेक्टिव मैटर है. कुछ लोगों के लिए सक्सेसफुल होने का मतलब है महंगी गाड़ी होना, बड़ा घर होना. कुछ लोगों के लिए सक्सेसफुल होने का मतलब है एक हेल्दी बॉडी होना, लाइफ में टाइम होना और वो करना जो आपको करना पसंद है. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना यंग जनरेशन से पूछा जाए कि आप सक्सेस को कैसे डिफ़ाइन करेंगे. आइए देखते हैं. आपके हिसाब से एक सक्सेसफुल पर्सन क्या है?
ओके अगर मैं खुद को सक्सेसफुल मानूंगी तो मैं उस पॉइंट पे मानूंगी जब लोग मुझे जानने लगेंगे ऑब्वियसली. एंड व्हेन पीपल knows that who I am and
Successful person is the one who achieve his goal and sit happily and relax with his or her family.
Successful would mean for me like uh, very peaceful and happiness.
It is a very subjective thing. ठीक है, सक्सेस किसी के लिए
for me I guess the happiness will be better than your past.
लॉन्गर रन में आई थिंक एनीवन हु इज़ हैप्पी विद द वर्क दैट दे आर डूइंग डे टू डे बेसिस पे एंड इफ दे हैव मेड पीस विद द एवरीडे रूटीन दैट दे हैव.
I think for some definitions, yes.
To me, success is not monetary first. It's mostly how you are, living your life.
Successful, according to me, is being comfortable. If you have a roof, you can eat food, you have a job that you like, that's success.
The things that just make me happy, if I can do that and I am able to fulfill those, I'm happy, I'm successful. That's just.
If you have time like for other things also rather than going for work, like mainly doing work, you are also having time for the other things, like you are spending time with your family and having talk with your friends, going for an outing and still doing work, earning money, then I think it is good.
Success for me it's look like more of a like peace, I would say, more peaceful, having a peaceful state of mind, and you're doing what you love and you're living freely. That's it. Like and you're kind of happy with whatever you are having right now. Just grateful for everything. That's it.
आपके लिए क्या है?
मेरे लिए my parents and my family and my loved ones should be very healthy obviously, and I need to be doing maybe in the part time also that I love. मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं से टाइम निकाल के if something is allowing me to do the thing I love, yes, that is success to me.
Who's your role model in life?
My role model is my Mosi.
I don't want to brag, but I guess my role model is my higher self. Like whatever I want to be, that is my role model.
So for me, since I was child, my dad was my role model.
मेरा रोल मॉडल एक केसी नाइस्टैट करके बंदा है.
My role model will quite surprise you. It's Sunidhi Chauhan.
Currently, I would say Rahul Mishra. He's doing very well with the international platform.
My role model would be my father.
I think my parents.
Your dad also?
Yeah, I think that would be my mom and sister and my dad and my brother also and my dadi. So I think my family. I just every aspect of them. It's just deeply influential. But that is something I also have taken from them. So I resonate with them, and I think yeah. So.
So आपको लगता है कि सक्सेसफुल होने का मतलब है कि it doesn't matter how much money you're earning, but rather what you're doing.
Exactly. It has to be like you have to be happy with that. कि तुम जो कर रहे हो उसमें तुम्हें खुशी मिल रही है. इतना कि हाँ मैं ज़बरदस्ती वो जॉब कर रहा हूँ या मैं ज़बरदस्ती ये काम कर रहा हूँ. बचपन से आई वाज लाइक कि आई वाज इनटू फैशन, आई वाज लाइक कि मुझे डिज़ाइनिंग करनी है. माय फैमिली वाज नेवर लाइक कि हाँ मत जाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था हमारे सीन में.
ओके.
सो या, तो वो प्रेशर नहीं होता ना कि आपको तब कि हाँ मुझे इतनी परसेंटेज लाना है, इतना मुझे ये कम करना है, तो सो ना मैं पहुंच पा रहा हूँ उस लेवल तक. मैंने सोचा हुआ है, आई हैव अ गोल कि हाँ मेरे को खुद का अपना ब्रांड उस लेवल तक लेके जाना है. बट अगेन आई एम एंजॉयिंग द प्रोसेस. आई एम लाइक इट इज गोना टेक टाइम.
क्या आपका ब्रांड है?
यस, आई हैव अ ब्रांड.
ओके, व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
इट्स कॉल्ड श्वेतांगा.
So someone who's doing what they love to do in life.
आई थिंक हमेशा वो करना तो बहुत मुश्किल है, बट हाँ अगर डे टू डे आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन है ऑफ वॉट यू आर डूइंग, अगर आपका डे जो आपने प्लान कर रखा है अगर वो आपके लिए समथिंग दैट यू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू, तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ decent enough.
If you're happy in your life, if you're happy what you're doing, if you're satisfied with whatever income you have, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको लाखों और कमाना ज़रूरी है. See, I'm a designer, okay. For me, success is not just कि मैं famous हो जाऊँ. It is like कि I am getting satisfied. I'm happy what I'm doing. I'm happy what I'm earning. So yeah, it's not always about कि मुझे famous होना है, मुझे बहुत बड़ा designer बनना है. It's not like that. It is always like हाँ वो एक end goal हो सकता है किसी का, but जब तक आप जर्नी एंजॉय नहीं करोगे तब तक आप नहीं पहुंचोगे वहाँ तक.
But then again, different people have different measures. Some people want entire fleets of cars. Some people want to be top of the world. Personally, I believe that success is your own definition. Some person would, some poor people who are not as gifted or don't have enough resources, their success is that they're still living today. They can afford rent for today. And for some people, it would be, yes, I bought this new car, I'm going here on trips. So it's very definitive about the person themselves.
I think for some definitions, yes, but I feel for like a lot of different things in life, success, just like love, I would feel like has a lot of different definitions for me. So for some definitions, yes, I do feel that yeah, this one I've check marked. But overall, if you talk about definition of success, then yeah, I think it just changes every time. I think in class 10th it was just getting good marks and I was like yeah I'm successful or like whatever coaching and stuff. Now I think it's trying to find striking a balance with having a stability which my job provides, which having a loving family provides, and having a chaos, some sort of chaos, and finding like striking a balance between them. Chaos as in like to just not have like being a software engineer just be my personality or how it defines me, how I see myself, and like I resonate a lot with art and doing creative stuff. So I think like just introducing chaos in life and trying to build it in stability, some sort of like that. Yeah.
किस हिसाब से who's your role model?
I don't want to brag, but I guess my role model is my higher self. Like, whatever I want to be, that is my role model. And besides that, I really, really love Urfi Javed. I just love her. I don't know why, but she is sort of unconventional. She's unconventional. Yeah, she just broke all those taboos and went ahead. And now she's at such a stage that like people are now actually loving her. That is what I want to do. I am not that regular fit into society wala.
You're Mossy. Interesting. Why?
Because she is only the one because जहाँ आज मैं खड़ी हूँ उनके वजह से खड़ी हूँ. Like I am from Bhopal and my parents, mama and papa were totally against coming to Delhi. I'm a NIFT.
Oh, तभी you're so stylish. Okay.
So
फिर?
she was the one who motivated and encouraged my parents to come.
Come here. Wow. तो मतलब क्या आपके पेरेंट्स को था कि दिल्ली नहीं जाना चाहिए?
Obviously the crime city and not safe for girls. So yeah.
And so it's your Mossy who convinced your parents कि इसको जाने दो.
Yeah, she was the one who encouraged, who motivated my parents that let her go, she will be a successful girl and let her do of her choice what she wanna do. So yeah.
कितनी अच्छी मौसी मिली है यार आपको really. If your Mossy is watching this video, do you want to say something to her?
I would like to say I love you so much, Mosi, and thank you for everything. I'm here just because of you.
Wow. Sunini Chauhan. And how come? Why?
At the age of 42, just look at that woman. She is a role model. She's fit. She's energy, a powerhouse of energy. I mean, the way she just carry herself is commendable. And even I love music, so I adore her in so many ways.
क्या बात है बहुत?
Her resilience, her passion towards music, her uh, crisp to do something new every time just makes me very admirable of her.
So yeah,
What's the best thing about him? What inspires you?
Like the hard work he does and the creativity he got in his hands, the power he got with his words, that was so amazing. Like since childhood, I just saw him, the hardest hustler and grinder. So yeah, he's my role model.
So you've got a great dad.
Yep,
So
yep.
lucky.
He is in the Indian Army, and I want to stay in suit and go into the army, the defense forces.
So he's your biggest, very big inspiration actually.
He's an inspiration, a support, and I would say a mentor.
Casey Neistat is a YouTuber, and he's an American YouTuber, and उसने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत सारी गलतियाँ करी हैं, but at the same time he has pursued and achieved a lot in life by doing the thing he loves, making videos.
And what kind of videos does he make?
He started with making daily vlogs, but eventually he became a role model for a bunch of people and like millions of people. And the consistency, the hard work he puts in, and everything he captures, everything is now a memory, and it's like a teaching for us that we can learn from it.
आपके हिसाब से रिच होने का मतलब सक्सेसफुल होना है?
Not exactly, because success is what means spending time with your family and being happy.
I don't think for me, rich is being peaceful, but yeah, being rich, you can avoid some things with money. So it's kinda that kind. I don't know what to say in words, but yeah, rich can make you so happy. If you have a family and thing, even that thing can keeps you a lot of happiness. So yeah.
नहीं, not personally, not for me. I mean,
क्यों?
क्योंकि I might have money to spend, but then I might not have the people around me जिनके साथ मैं वो खर्च कर पाऊँ.
Deep.
Yeah, something of that sort.
Do you also want to be a YouTuber?
Not exactly, no. No.
Okay. What do you want to be?
I just want to be the best version of myself.
And what is the best version of yourself?
I'm trying to find that out.
इंटरेस्टिंग ओके एंड अगर आपको एक सक्सेसफुल पर्सन को डिफाइन करना हो कि ओ दिस पर्सन इज सक्सेसफुल तो कौन होगा वो?
Casey Neistat. Best answer. A simple answer. Casey Neistat. He's doing the thing he loves. He's earning money. His family is healthy. His loved ones are healthy, and he can do it whenever he wants to, like do the thing he loves. That is success.
Very interesting, actually very important क्योंकि I think if your family is not healthy you will not be happy and if you're not happy you're not successful.
I mean, you won't be able to walk if you're not healthy, and you won't be able to do anything if you're not healthy.
How to be successful?
I would just say go with the flow. You will be.
If it's written it's written.
Yeah. If it's written, it's written. Yes.
Going with the flow. And what about you?
Same goes for me actually. If you're meant to be successful, then nobody's gonna stop you actually.
Not. And you said you're a very creative person. What do you do?
I think interacting with art and dancing, painting, writing, though it's been a while since I've written a poem, but yeah.
Oh, so you like writing and dancing.
Yes.
And what kind of dance? Hip hop.
Classical dance, Kathak.
Are you a Kathak dancer?
Yes, Kathak.
Guys, मतलब पूरा हमारे पास talented starter pack and सब कुछ है. Engineer and dancer. How long have you been practicing it for?
Actually, I didn't very formally. I took when I was really young. I think till class third or fourth I did. Then I did not really took classes and all like proper training of Kathak. But yeah, it's something that's like very integral part of what I feel.
By the way, guys, if you're watching this video, so she's also an influencer. What's your name so that our audience can follow you?
My name is Kanishka Aluwalia.
Kanishka Aluwalia.
Yeah, Kanishka Aluwalia.
Please do give her a follow. And do you think having a lot of money is equivalent to being successful?
I know I'm not going to be like, oh, money doesn't bring you happiness. No, I am able to pursue whatever art and stuff I want to because I know that my job is giving me that stability. I don't have to really worry about anything else. But money cannot be the only parameter by which you'll say like that, yeah, I'm successful. Because there have been days where I've been just like crying that, just where I just felt like, oh, I am just a tech person or just like when I identify myself with just one thing. So, yeah.
एंड माई लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ कि क्या आपको लगता है कि हमारे पेरेंट्स सक्सेस को अलग तरीके से डिफ़ाइन करते हैं and हम अलग तरीके से डिफ़ाइन करते हैं?
हाँ जी, बहुत ज़्यादा।
कैसे?
First of all, they were raised in a very different environment, है ना? The values they are very different. जिस तरीके से वो हमें बड़ा कर रहे हैं वो उस तरीके से बड़े नहीं हुए हैं, ठीक है? Everything we have today did not existed at that time, and अपनी वैल्यूज़ अलग है। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल वेन एवर आई गेट अ टाइम मैं वीडियोस बनाने निकल जाता हूँ, बट वेन एवर दे गेट सम टाइम वो कुछ और कर देते हैं अपने उसमें वो टाइम में इन द फ्री टाइम, एंड दैट इज़ द थिंग। एवरीथिंग इज़ जनरेशनल नाउ। उनके लिए अब हैप्पीनेस क्या है, हम लोग खुश रहें, ठीक है, उनकी फैमिली खुश रहे, है ना, कि एम आई लाइक मेरी फैमिली खुश रहे, मैं उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर पा रहा हूँ या नहीं। हैप्पीनेस की डेफिनेशन चेंज होती रहती है टाइम टू टाइम।
तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज की वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। कृपया लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। गुड बाय।